Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming account credentials and payment details so you don't cancel the wrong subscription. Once signed in, navigate directly to the account or profile area. This step ensures you see active trials and billing info. Make sure to use the same email or provider used to start the trial, because many services link subscriptions to that identifier. If you used a third-party store, open that store first. These actions prevent delays and make the cancel option appear without hunting through menus. Once you're in billing, locate the subscription that lists a trial or upcoming charge and tap it to view details. You want to confirm the next billing date and any prorated charges so you know what you'll avoid. Then choose Cancel or Disable Auto-Renewal. Some services require you to confirm twice, which prevents accidental loss. Follow prompts and keep an eye for confirmation screens or emails. This step stops future charges while sometimes preserving access until the trial end date. After canceling, confirm you received on-screen confirmation and an email. Save a screenshot or confirmation number so you have proof. If the cancel button fails, sign out and back in, clear cache, or try the web version. These fixes resolve many UI glitches. If you still see an active trial or a charge posts, contact customer support with your saved proof and last 4 digits of the card. That makes dispute resolution faster and protects you from unwanted billing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.